Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, let's discuss some topics which come under Introduction to Python. So let's see the topics: data types in Python, functions, exception handling, and guess the number in Python. So the first topic is data types in Python. In Python, the data types are divided into 5 main types. So those are numeric data type, dictionary, boolean, set, and sequence data types. Under numeric, we have 3 major data types, that is integer, complex number, and float. So sequence data types is again divided into 3, that is strings, list, and tuple. Let's see the data types one by one. The first comes integer, represented as int. So integers are the whole numbers without any decimal points. They can be positive or negative integers. So for example, any constant values which are not having any decimal points. Next is floating point, represented as float. So floating point numbers represents the decimal values, any values having decimal points. So the third one is complex, represented as complex. Complex numbers are used to represent numbers with the real and imaginary part. So the fourth one is list. List is an ordered collection of similar or dissimilar items separated by the commas and enclosed within a square bracket. Next comes string, that is represented as str. String is a sequence of characters represented either with a single or double quotes. So for example, any sequence of characters, for example mango, or any characters enclosed within the double or single quotation. So our next data type is Boolean type. It represents the logical truth values, that it may be true or false statements. The second one is dictionary. Dictionary is the collection of key value points. It is an unordered collection of key value pairs. Here it cannot have two items with the same key, that is duplicates here is impossible. That's it about dictionary. So the syntax is as dict name, key value 1, key to value 2, and so on. Here we have an example: name, that is colon apple, color colon red. The second one is tuple. Tuple is an ordered immutable collection of elements, that is in tuple the directly the values changing of values is impossible in tuple. The syntax is tuple name, item 1, item 2, item 3, and so on. So our next topic is functions. The first one which come under the function is string, that is str. It is a string function where the parameters are passed inside the parenthesis. The first example, string of 2. When the integer value, that is 2, is passed into the string function, the output results in the form of a string value. The second example, str of 3.44, where the 3.44 is a floating value. So when the float value is passed into the string function, the output results in the form of a string value. The second function is int. So it is an integer function. When the int 6.78, that is a float value. Int of float, the output results in the form of an integer value. 6 is the integer value. The next function comes float. It is a floating value function. So the float of 8, where 8 is a integer data type, but the resulting output come under the floating value data type. So the next topic is exception handling. Even if a statement or expression is synthetically correct, it may cause an error when an attempt is made to execute it. Errors detecting during execution are called exceptions. Errors can be handled using keywords such as try, except, else, and finally. Let's see an example of exception handling. The first keyword here is try, the second one is except, third one is else, and the fourth one is finally. First one, that is try, numerator is equals to int input of enter the numerator value, denominator is equal to int input enter the denominator value. Since the numerator and denominator values are integer values, the data type int is used. Result is equals to numerator by denominator. Except zero error, print change the value to non-zero value. The second keyword, that is except, print something went wrong. Else, print your answer is comma result. So the fourth keyword used in exception handling is finally, that is print program has been executed. So our last topic comes guess the number. Let's see a program which come under guess the number. Import random. Let's import a random value. So the secret number is equals to random.rand int of range 1, 20. Print, I am thinking of a number between 1 and 20. For guesses taken in range, that is 1, 7. Print, take a guess. Guess is equals to int input. Since the input which is in the form of an integer value, the data type here used is int. So if the guess is less than the secret number, print your guess is too low. If the guess is greater than the secret number, print your guess is too high. Else, break. If guess is equal to the secret number, print you guessed my number. Else, print no, your guess is not right. So this is an example for guessing the number, simple example for guessing the number. Thank you for watching this video. So please don't forget to press the like button.